Before installing your Every Stage car seat, please review your car seat instruction manual. Always remember to properly install the car seat on your vehicle seat before placing your child in it. The rearward-facing mode is for children under 18 kilograms or for children from birth to approximately 4 years old. It is recommended to keep a child rearward-facing for as long as possible. This is why Every Stage has an extended rearward-facing rating up to 18 kilograms. When used rearward-facing, the shoulder harness slots must be even with or just below the child's shoulders. To install, make sure the car seat is in the most reclined position. The top blue arrow should align with the bottom reclining position indicator. Rotate the infant body support. Pass the vehicle waist belt through the vehicle waist belt slots. Check that there are no twists in the vehicle seat belt. Engage the vehicle buckle. Pull and tension the waist belt. Pass the vehicle shoulder belt through the rear-facing belt guide. Open the locking clip and insert the vehicle seat belt through it. Press the car seat down firmly and pull the vehicle shoulder belt to tighten. Then, lock the clip. Double check that there is significant tension in the waist belt and that the car seat does not move on the vehicle seat. Replace the infant body support for children under 9 kilograms. Place the child in the seat. Pull the shoulder harnesses over the child's shoulders, then click the buckle. Pull the shoulder harness adjustment to tighten the harness, ensuring the child is secure. Group 1 is forward-facing for children between 9 and 18 kilograms or ages 1 to 4 years old. There are 4 recline positions for Group 1. Align one of the top red arrows with the bottom reclining indicator. When used in forward-facing Group 1 mode, the shoulder harness slots must be even with or just above the child's shoulders. Pull out the vehicle seat belt and thread the belt through the 2 forward-facing vehicle belt slots at the back of the car seat, ensuring there are no twists in the vehicle seat belt. Engage the vehicle buckle. Open the locking clip and insert the vehicle seat belt through it. Pull the vehicle shoulder belt to tighten. Double check that there is significant tension in the waist belt and that the car seat does not move on the vehicle seat. Place the child in the seat. Pull the shoulder harnesses over the child's shoulders, then click the buckle. Pull the shoulder harness adjustment to tighten the harness, ensuring the child is secure. Storing the shoulder harness for booster mode. Press the button on the harness adjuster and pull the shoulder harness toward you. Unbuckle the harness. Detach the snaps on the seat pad. Place the shoulder harness straps, buckle and buckle tongues in the harness hideaway storage compartments. Pull the buckle through the slot in the seat pad and then store the buckle in the harness hideaway. Reattach the snaps to recover the seat pad. Group 2 and 3 are forward-facing for children between 15 and 36 kilograms or ages 3 to 12 years old. There are 4 recline positions for Group 2 and 3. Align one of the top red arrows with the bottom reclining indicator. Place the child in the seat. Pull out the vehicle seat belt and pass the vehicle waist belt through the waist belt slots. Engage the vehicle buckle. Place the vehicle shoulder belt through the shoulder belt guide. The bottom of the headrest should be even with or just above the child's shoulders. For more detail, please review your car seat instruction manual or visit www.joybaby.com.
Smyths Toy Superstores.
If I were a toy